Hello, we are at our 7th Street kitchen project in Petworth. We have framed out and we are rough and nearly complete. So I want to show you what's going on here. We've got Manuel and Julio working away, hiding in the background right now. But the whole idea of this kitchen was to open the whole place up. So it's going to be traditional, white, light, and bright. We've got white cabinets, so wall-to-wall cabinets here. We've got a peninsula going in right here with brass fixtures. This is the dining room where we're capping the chandelier and putting in recessed lights. And then we have a dry bar going in right here. So right now we're just figuring out all the final blocking for the team. And then cabinets arrive next week. So we're really hoping to be wrapping up in about a month. Hold on, I just want to look at this from this angle. You don't want to carry it across?
This right here is part of the board.
But you didn't want to carry it to... You're putting up drywall today, right?
Yeah, I gotta figure out.
Have you seen John? What's wrong?
We haven't seen any sinks in the front.
So we look at the asking for a space of 78 and a half. And we only have 76 and a half. So somebody got the measurement wrong, but the nice thing about that is right here, you got 5 inches to work with.
Hey, I have a question for you. I'm at 7th Street looking at the dry bar, and we're talking about blocking for the dry bar itself. You've got the party wall, which is all block, and the measurements here are not great. We're gonna have to take up some real estate from the chase. Measurements are off by 2 inches.
2 inches on.
2 inches.
His measurements are off by 2 inches.
Actually, no. This is
width or depth?
in width, but this is a filler piece.
Yeah, but
So you can rip that.
Still there.
Yeah, but this is, but these are, you could, but this is, yeah, but these are not fit. I mean, the cabinets are fixed, but this is, you can trim this down.
Okay.
This is floating shelves. I wouldn't actually go into this. You don't have to.
Okay.
But here's the thing here's my question about blocking. Do we need to, can we just directly anchor onto like the block wall?
I walked Julio through it, and I'm gonna stop by there with the lumber and then walk him through it some more.
Okay, when do you think you'll be here?
I should be there in an hour and like 15, 20 minutes.
These you can
Rip.
you can rip. What do you have again?
We have 176
Yeah.
and a half.
Yeah. Because you can play with these two fillers. That's what he's done for you. He's giving you play on this side and this side.
Okay.
So you're going to rip them down.
Cool. This
But
is 2 cabinets, so it's cool.
Yeah, and these can come in a little bit.
They know what they know about. Well, they're gonna come measure the
It goes in and out, right?
countertop.
Yeah.
They're gonna
It
measure
goes,
that
this
too.
comes further out and this comes further in. It's
Okay.
like an L.
Nice. So, I was trying to figure out where to run my cables.
Mm-hmm. Can you run it in that wall?
I could run it in this wall, but then I have to rip up the ceiling downstairs. Want to show me?
Show me. Yeah, how much of it we rip up?
Then the destination is on the other side of this wall.
So for some context, Julio's running the electrical for the dry bar, and he's trying to figure out what is the easiest way to get the home runs in. So that's the direct power. Oh, that's not the end of the world. You can do this in 3 holes. If you fish it, this is what I'm thinking. 1, and you can fish from there, right?
The Joseph went in this one.
Yeah.
And get it on the other side.
So like, let's just fold these. These are so cute. Oh my God, I want a little boy. This makes my ovaries jump. Remember, anything below here, like you have to protect. So can you go up? Can you go directly up here? Is there any way to go up from here and then across?
So the biggest headache of the day is going to be the old electrical.
Okay.
I found their box where they're feeding all the old electrical.
Yeah.
It's a spider web feeding the rest of the house. So I'm just gonna do a little
Junction?
junction box, and then it won't look too bad. It'll just be one right here in the corner.
No.
You know?
No. Can you? What does it trace back to?
There's a box downstairs, but they're feeding the whole house.
For context here, we're talking about the cables in the ceiling and the floor and what we do with them. You can't just terminate a cable in the ceiling. You've got to leave a junction box for it. But junction boxes are ugly. And so we are trying to figure out how to minimize the impact. Remember, you have two pendants here.
Yeah.
The pendants are needs to be sitting this way, right? Because your 24 inches is from here to here.
Yeah.
So how are you gonna do that?
So I was thinking. So this is the middle.
Oh, this is the middle, okay.
So
Yeah.
I was thinking,
You're gonna have to,
just pop my little hole right there, feed it from that side while it's still open.
how's it gonna hang?
If I pop it down, do you want me to go lower than this?
No. I want it to be that height all the way across. I want it to be intentional.
This height?
Yeah.
I bumped this down to give a division between the kitchen and the dining room.
Then I would take it up to be the same height as,
The ceiling?
yeah.
Okay.
But hold on, before we do that.
That makes sense.
Your call has.
Can you, for now, just pull extra wires, and we can come. We're not gonna just be able to decide this right now,
Okay.
but know that we might just have to because what I'm thinking about is having it framed out, the 24, the 72 by 24.
Where do you want the switch? That's a very important question.
That is an important question.
Eliminate this one. 'Cause I don't need this.
So where are the switches for the recessed lights?
That's what I'm gonna. I need to know where you want me to put the box.
Put them on that wall. But I think you need a two-way for this. These pendants.
If we do a light, do some lights here. I'll take a window there.
It's the window, right? Can you put one right here? That's hollow.
Yeah, but I still have to because I have to channel my cables, my wires.
Yeah, but you've got to patch all this anyway.
Mm-hmm.
Let's do one here. Let's talk about electrical. How much longer do you need?
Depends on what I find. Cause I'm gonna have to rip up the ceiling downstairs to kind of figure out.
Okay, at worst, how much time do you need?
Maybe at worst 2 days.
Well, yeah, these feel high. These feel super high.
You think so?
This feels super, super high. What is that?
Is it 48?
Ooh,
From the floor?
yeah. Your countertops are 36, so it's 12 inches from your countertop.
Yeah. 12 inches above the countertop.
That feels really high. Look, that's where my arm is.
Yes.
No, that's like my arm going up. That's not,
That's too high
it's too high.
for
That's too high. Lower than 6.
okay.
Right? I mean,
Yeah, you the boss.
but don't you? I mean, if you disagree, let me know.
Well, what are the other ones at?
Ooh, hold on. Do we have any tiles here?
No.
Our tiles gonna be 4 inches tall, so you're gonna have to cut around. So I want the bottom plate here.
Okay.
I feel like that's. Well, hold on. Show me where 36 is. This is why Latasha says I micromanage. Give me a line. Okay, so their countertop is 3 centimeters. So then give me 1.25 inches above. I definitely want at least one row of tile above before we mess it up. So yeah, I would lower it. Well, what is the distance? Wait, hold on. Let's look at this distance of their. What's the gap between? 13.
I think it's 17.
These are 27 inches tall. So you're gonna have like 18 inches. Okay. Yeah, that works. That works. Next time when we're here, you should be seeing installed cabinetry, hopefully countertops, and fully painted with fixtures. A month.